this one or should I wait for a party Kelly? Do you want to get a party Kelly? It's got little hearts and pearls and this color, so I think it's pretty new for LV because they usually use crocodile, ostrich, lizard, python. It is such a classic piece and I really love the handles. Guys, look at this. And there's another one. Same price. You got the choice, guys. This is why you go to the pre-loved shops. This bag is entirely new. It costs £2,400. You can get it for £1,900 here. £1,900. This is like £500 saving. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So guys, this is my 6th week in a hotel. Next week is week number 7 and guys, it's very much fun at the beginning of it to live in a hotel, but then at some point it just gets like, I just want to have my home back. I really just want to have my home back and my bunny is running around me and yeah, so fingers crossed, the renovation works are going on fine. Hopefully in like 2-3 weeks time we can move back in. That would be fabulous. I want to go to a couple places today where I've never been to, and guys, I've been living in London now for 10 plus years, 10 and a half, and I can tell you, I can still fall in love with the city every single day because there's always something new to discover. And yeah, I would say let's go get a coffee, enjoy this day, and I show you my outfit. Yeah guys, I think I don't have the space to actually show you the full outfit, but it's this beautiful dress and it's like 17 degrees today, so it's like really autumnal, and autumn is my absolute favorite time of the year, obviously. Et voila. So I've seen this in and other stories and I was like, oh, this is, I can't wait for autumn to come around. So yeah, it's cold today. I think it's raining even. It's the right outfit. Do you like my dress, Nicole?
Love it.
Also guys, I said it already, like we can't wait to move back in to our home, right?
A bit of a dust storm at the moment.
It's a bit of a dust hell. So I really want to start decorating the house and move into the nice process.
Yeah, patience.
And it's a gloomy day today, but nonetheless, let's make the best out of it.
Oh guys, I just left in the rain and now the weather has cleared up. And because it's getting colder, it's hot coffee season, finally. Let's get a quick look at this one again. You guys know I love embroidered bags so much. Oh. As soon as something shimmers and glitters, I'm like, yeah. Love it, want it. Guys, I just dropped into Chanel to see if they have the new mini Kelly, party Kelly, but they only come out with it in 2 weeks time. Oh, I'm still looking at this one. I love the color. This is still very much me. I'm still thinking about it since I saw it the first time. This one or should I wait for a party Kelly? Do you want to get a party Kelly? Guys, look at this one. This is so beautiful. I can't believe I've never seen this, from 2 seasons ago. It's got little hearts and pearls and this color, so yeah guys, it's a really long strap, but I love it. This could be it. I love the color, I love the little details with the heart. The hardware feels really substantial. Actually, you can make it shorter. Wrap it around once. Oh, I'm in love. Okay guys, so we have to be a bit more patient to see the first party Kelly. 2 weeks time. Quick look at LV guys, because I think they got some special exotics. This is the perfect new autumn color in my opinion. And here we have rectangular pochette métis. Guys, I just dropped into LV and they got a Carong bag as well. I only knew Bulgari using Carong leather. I think it's pretty new for LV because they usually use crocodile, ostrich, lizard, python, but you know, I only know Bulgari to use Carong bags. Look at this beautiful finish. I love it. From afar it almost looks like a natural Carong skin, but then if you see it in the light, you see the beauty of it. And of course guys, I love that you can always hide the little LV, right?
Yes.
When you don't want to show it, you can just...
And you can also...
It's beautiful. Look at this. It's called Himalayan Sahara? Himalayan Sahara. It is so stunning. Can you see the gold inlay? Oh my god, okay, I think guys, I'm in love. Is this a stunning piece or what? So it's actually gold plating. Okay, wow. I love that little capucine BB Mini. Really want to still get one. Now, Bagista time. Should we have a look? I can't believe it. I got a natural Celine, the one that I love so much. Let's go. Guys, handbag heaven. You guys know how much I love Bagista. Look at this. Look at this tiny little lizard bag charm. Talking about mini capucines, here we are. This is very Slytherin, isn't it? I love it. We should try that one on. Here we got another little python one. Classic galet. I always wanted one of those because that's just who I am. Did you ever get one of the Vivian plushs or these little cuties? Okay. Hi guys. So look at this Petite Miles. We've just seen one as well. I'm in love with that Himalayan Sahara one, guys. I have to be honest. This is entirely new. Did they not just come out with these? Crazy. Little Alma, guys. Ooh, I still love this little wild book tote. Can't believe they still have this one. This is my favorite everyday, you know, go-to Chanel tote. It's super durable. I got it in black. Oh, if you want a durable Chanel bag, that one it is. And some crazy pieces, some classic pieces. Ooh, wow. I already got this new Dior style. How cool is that? I love it. What can I tell you? I prefer this one over the new style they came out with because it is such a classic piece. And I really love the handles. It's got these, it's quite heavy though, I have to be honest with you guys. But yeah, this is my favorite for sure. Look at these hair bags. I would get both because it's so rare to find them with a gold hardware, but here we are. Am I a Picotine fan? I don't know. I've never really thought about getting a Picotine, maybe. I think I rather prefer this. Yeah, this I would take home. Very pretty. Nice neutral color as well, if you ask me. Yeah. Wouldn't say no to either. Guys, I can't believe it. Look at this. The Return Kelly 32 box scarf. Oh, this is exactly what I want. This is the size I want. This is the leather I want. The hardware. The Retournista. I prefer the Return over the Sellier, actually. Oh, look at these. Vintage beauties. My dream, my dream, my dream, my dream. What can I tell you? Oh, let's check the price for this one in a second. Oh, look how luxurious the box scarf looks. How shiny it is. It's beautifully patina, the leather. Oh, this is like the essence of old money. Luxury, silent luxury, if you ask me. Guys, for anyone who's wondering, this beautiful Kelly, 9,000. It's under 10k. And it is still in beautiful condition. I would polish the hardware a bit, but then you have a dream bag. Ooh, hi. These are cute too, aren't they? Let's give Gucci some love. Oh. Yeah, everything that's blingy and shiny. I'm like, hey, here, me. Oh, this one. You can never go wrong with a classic flap in beige Claire. Yeah, I got a black one from my year of birth, but I always wanted a beige Claire one as well. It's just history. You know, I make a very rare exception for silver hardware bags. This would be one. Look at this. Absolutely stunning. Yeah. I need a mini capucine in my life. Classic galet color. I always wanted this, but with a python handle, and this is the new MM size. It's originally PM. They discontinued the the MM. No, this is the MM. Yep. So I really want one of those, but with a python handle. Hello, here we are with the drama queen. Well, at least mine is one. So this is a white one. I really wonder how the regular leather wears, especially the ones that came out first. I think the first batch was the best batch. I really want to wear mine. It's just like, you know, I know it's gonna peel, it's gonna crack. Maybe I should give it another try in the future with, you know, a classic leather one. They got the bag here that I want. The bag we tried on yesterday. And guys, this looks way better than the one in the shop. It has way less scratches. It's still got the sticker on. This is why you go to the pre-loved shops. This bag is entirely new. It costs £2,400 in the boutique retail price. You can get it for £1,900 here. £1,900. That's like £500 saving. What? Oh my god, okay, I don't know. Should I finally pull the trigger? Should we do it? Hi. Is it not a vibe? Like, Celine is such a vibe in my opinion. And I think this beautiful natural leather will go with anything, you know? If you ask me. Winter coats is not like the Ava Triomphe, like where the strap is really, really short. And I said it with thick winter coats, it would be quite tight. But this one has enough space. Oh, guys. Oh. Yay or nay? Okay guys, next stop, designer exchange. You know they are like my favorites. They got the best deals, you know, the best stock. Let's go in. Hello, we're back at designer exchange. You know, this is like my Alice in Wonderland. Absolutely love it. Look at all these pieces. I'm gonna give you an overview quickly, and then we are going to look more in details at their special pieces that they've received recently. Hi. Loving this. Oh my god, they still have it. I cannot believe it, guys. I've shown you this one last time. It's 3.5 only. It's from the Mark Quinn art collection. I don't know if you can see it. It's got an orchid there. They still got the second one as well. Absolutely love it. Can't believe nobody has bought them yet, because they are like store fresh. The person who owned them has basically only had it on display, never used it. I think it's even still got stickers on, which is crazy if you ask me, for the age of the bag. And hello, Chanel Heaven. Again, how can this one still be here? Why has nobody picked this one up yet? I love it. Same as this. Guys, I always say at this, you find the best bags, the best deals here. Nobody can compete with designer exchange's price. Oh, hi. Look at this. They've discontinued the Gabrielle, can you believe it? I love mine. I see so many people in London wearing Gabrielles. And so people are enjoying them. I really don't know why they discontinued this one. Can we see it? It's got really nice veining. I love it when you can see the veining in the Togo leather. Oh, hi, a raisin bag. We still got a croc. And lots and lots of Gucci. Look at this little croc mini marmot, and my favorite color in the world. So happy that I got this. I got like a special edition with those flowers on there, and they still got this. Okay, let's try some more. I really don't know what it is recently, guys. I am so much in love with the Celine bags. They're such a vibe. They're such a vibe. You have to try this one on. Do you prefer something like this with their logo canvas, their monogram canvas, or rather the natural cowhide bag that we just tried on? And look at all of this Louis Vuitton luggage. You've got the choice, guys. And no way, this is a reissue 227. This is the, or even a 228. It's one of the bigger ones. I really like it. If it's a 228, they discontinued that. It's a purple. It's a really beautiful purple. I wish it had gold hardware. So sad. Oh, this is a dream, no? And guys, look at all of these Louis pieces, and look at the beautiful patina. If you get a pre-loved bag, you know, you don't have to worry about rain anymore. Everything is pre-patinaed. And look at this, they even got special edition ones. And we got a Versace. This one only came out recently. It's very edgy. We got a little Chanel vanity case here with ruthenium hardware, and it's caviar leather. Very durable. It's perfect for travel. Do we know what it's called? I've never seen this print.
I couldn't find it out, but then obviously,
wow,
especially ending summer.
That's perfect for Coachella.
Yeah, true, exactly, in all these colors.
Absolutely
and perfect
stunning.
to carry all your essentials for any sort of a party.
We got a calligraphy bag here. I loved it when they came out with the style, and then they took it away, like took it off the market so quickly again. Let's see how much it is here. So 850, guys.
Yes.
And it looks so gorgeous
it's a
and
steal
new.
for the price that you're going to pay.
Definitely. Look at this vintage Chanel clutch. Absolutely stunning. This is understated. Old money luxury when you don't really want to show anyone. But look, There we got the Chanel writing on the inside and the little logo. That's cute. That's cute, isn't it? Goes well with my outfit. We got something
Very
special here.
Yes, so this is the collaboration that Gucci did with the Global Trotter, very well-known British trunk maker. They have done pieces before with British Airways. Literally, it was made of their trunk material. And
Oh, look at this, guys. Oh, stunning
it
with
is
the red
stunning,
interior.
the red interior.
Oh,
It's a beautiful
gorgeous.
piece. Anyone who travels, anyone who's always on the go with wings
Yeah.
up, this is going to be the one.
Travel in style. Here's the little travel case. It's, yeah, why not if you want to travel in style. And I really want to show you the little Fendi calligraphy bag quickly because I like it. Guys, look at this.
We have this beautiful Kelly 32. The specialty about this is obviously, if you take a closer look, you will see the finishing on here. These leather trimming are commonly found on Scottish Book shoes. So obviously the name comes from that too, which is a Kelly Gillies. And this one is obviously in a one particular plain color, which is a green to us, but then in French Hermes color names is bamboo.
Bamboo.
Yeah. Such a unique color.
And that's again a good price
An
for such a
amazing
special piece,
price.
guys.
Yeah.
Again, my favorite size when it comes to a Kelly. Yeah, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. If you want to find a real treasures, I always tell you, come, drop by, check what they have. They get new stuff in all the time. This one's cool, huh? I have to try this one on because, you know, I've been bitten by the Celine bug recently. Let me know. Would you go for the logo, for the monogram one, or rather for a natural one? They are all gorgeous. I think I'm just in love with the logo and the tan, and especially because you got the contrast stitching. Louis Vuitton elephant bag. I really wanted the bunny bag. Maybe this one is still there because it's waiting for me. Look at this. There you can see the orchid. It is very subtle. It is very beautiful. Again, you can take the Mark Quinn logo off and then just have the regular Dior logo. And I always say it, I would make an exception for silver hardware very rarely for very special bags, and this is one of them. We're just going into the Prada Cafe now, cause why not? You only live once, right? Guys, look at this. This looks delicious, no? Yeah, let's go. Why not, guys, right? Why should we not? And guys, it's time to indulge. And let's have one last quick look into Pandora, guys. They have a 50% off sale, so anything with a purple or orange sticker is 50% off. Look at this stunning Dolce & Gabbana bag. Let's have a look. Does it have a sticker? No, it doesn't, but the price is a 1-1, guys. Oh, I love everything with flowers. A lot of Valentino, and the most exciting section, a Chanel. Let's see what we've got here. Most of the time, these are not on sale, obviously. I mean, you can imagine, guys. They are. Chanel 19 in a beautiful khaki color. No way, guys. They got my beauty here. I love this bag. I got the exact same bag. Can only recommend you to get it. It's a perfect everyday bag. Oh wow. I got mine for I think £600 in the Gucci outlet. Lots of Bottega, guys. Look at this. You got the whole range to choose from. Guys, can you believe it? Look at this wallet. Can you see the effect? It's stunning. So I would say this is lizard with a coating on top. And yeah, absolutely gorgeous. I missed to show you these. I don't know, I didn't see them myself. Hello. Oh, hi. Look at this Gabrielle. And small Gabrielles. Oh my god, I can't believe it. Let's check the price. 2.8, and there's another one. Same price. You got the choice, guys. Wow. And look at this. They got a Celine as well. For 1.2. No way. This is gorgeous, no? With the canvas. Oh god, they're all gorgeous. I really don't know what to go for. I wish they had the contrast stitching here as well. That was it for today. We just had a little ice cream again. Oh, delicious. Okay. So yeah, a lot of eye candy like usual. Tell me what caught your eye, what you liked, what you would have picked up, and yeah. I'm in the deepest, darkest Kensington. South Kensington right now. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here because we all do have the same luxury disease. Yes, we do, right? see you again very, very soon, guys. Bye!